Krisp lagging or causing audio delay. Yeah, that can be really annoying, especially when your voice is out of sync during calls. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, close unnecessary background apps. Too many apps running at the same time can slow down your system and cause audio lag. Next, check your CPU usage. Yeah, Krisp uses real-time processing, so if your CPU is too busy, you might experience delays. Now, reduce audio quality or processing settings in your calling app. Lowering these settings can help reduce lag and improve performance. If you're using other audio or noise suppression tools, try disabling them. Multiple audio tools running together can increase delay. Next, make sure Krisp is updated. Yeah, new versions often improve performance and fix lag issues. Also, restart Krisp and your calling app. This helps clear temporary bugs and resets everything. Try switching to wired headphones instead of Bluetooth. Wireless devices can sometimes add extra delay. And finally, check your internet connection. Yeah, even though Krisp works locally, poor connection during calls can still create lag. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp lagging or delay issues. One of these steps should make your audio smooth again. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.